Today I am going to show you how to make this Ninja Star. So here you go. I am going to start with two A4 paper. Now how you can fold and cut the pieces. You will need 8 centimeter square. So here you will fold your paper and measure 8 centimeter here and the down part 8 centimeter, and then just draw a line and cut it off. Now you need the left side also 8 centimeter. So I will mark here 8 centimeter, then again 8 centimeter, and again 8 centimeter. Now I will fold on this mark here, like this, then turn it and fold it here. So you will have 3 pieces by 8 centimeter, and then you can cut all together 8 pieces. So we need only 4 for this, so we will keep aside. Right now I have cut it for this and 4 of this. Now how to fold? Here you will take one piece, fold it downward and press it nicely, then open it. Turn the side, again fold it and press it nicely, then open it. Now you have a plus sign in your square. Now any two corners, from here or from here, any two corners you will pull downward to make a triangle shape. Make sure your fold should be accurate on the lines which you already have here. So this fold is making a triangle shape here. Then the second one here. Now fold this one half like this. So it is a pointed shape here and a square shape here. Now make sure when you are doing the next step, you hold your paper like the joint part upward, the point is facing to the right side and the square is on your left hand. The left hand square we will pull downward till here. The line we can see, you can see this line here along with this exactly should be very much accurate, and press it nicely and then open it. We got the mark here, we will open it. Now we want to tuck in this part, the extra triangle flap. This one we want to tuck in. So I will hold from here down this part and open this part, and where I got the lines, this one I will fold it little bit, press it inside, and this part I will fold inside here. You can see it. This is here, this one. So press it nicely on the lines which one you have here already. Now this is the shape which we want. We'll hold the joined one in my left hand and the open flaps right side or on the open flap, and it should be aligned with the previous one and align with this line. Now hold it from here and see how much extra you have. So I will fold it inside on this flap here and here also. This you can see it. This is here, this is here, and just press nicely. The accuracy is essential. If you make the folds very accurate and assemble on right point, then your work will be perfect. I will keep on it, align it with the previous one, and tuck in the extra part here. Okay. Again, alternate colors you will choose here. Little bit attention required, then you can easily do it. Here you will put in, hold it, and place it here. Now the first one and the last one, hold it nicely and open the flaps here, this, and try to move in here. That's it. Now you have this is the section.